Very slow leveling. Look at the size of the door handle. Wow, this is old. Let's go. This will be more nice, of course. By Schindler. Has a glass window in the doors. Very cool. This elevator serves the even floors. It's maintained by Ascensores.
Planta 6.
I should know what plan it was originally. See, the other elevator doesn't go up here just because that particular elevator only serves the even floors. We will get to that in a minute. 0, I think.
Planta 0.
Let's get the other one. Very old door. Look at that big ass door handle. That is big. This cap is brighter than the other one. It has brighter LCD screen as well. Costa de Sapo 60. Palma de Mallorca. This one doesn't talk, unfortunately. And as you can see, this one serves the odd floors. Look at that gap there. Wow, that is dangerous. A little bit dangerous. It's crazy. Inspection. Still a bit interesting though. I'm not sure what brand these were originally. Maybe someone from Spain can tell what they were originally before Schindler modernized these. Leave a comment please if you know. Let's get off here. So, interesting one. That's it.